Today we are making cake perfect for holiday with cranberry, orange, simple yet delicious. You can make it very fast and it's going to be spectacular. So for this recipe you need orange. We will use everything. We will need zest and we will need juice. So take off the zest of the orange. I use this small grater. And part of this zest take aside. The same thing with the juice. Juice your orange and some of the orange juice save. Put aside. And the rest we will need in a second. So we'll start with the beating butter, room temperature butter and sugar. Beat it really well till butter turns white and fluffy. Then adding eggs one by one, mixing really well. Then add milk, salt, baking powder, mix it again. Then add part of the flour, followed by orange juice, orange zest, mixing together, and rest of the flour. And again mix together, but not for long. Now take your cranberry. If you have frozen cranberry, it's okay. We take a little bit of flour and mix together with the cranberry. This will help our cranberries not to sink to the bottom. And mix together again very well. You can use spatula. I'm using my mixer on a slow speed. And then I added some walnuts. You can add any nuts you like. And honestly, I don't have measurements for that. Just add as much as you want. Any nuts would work, but I think walnuts in this recipe work really well. You can add pecan nuts if you like. So mix again with the spatula. Now I prepare my form. I'm using this glass form. If you have metal, you need to oil it and lay with the parchment paper. I don't use parchment paper because the glass is wonderful and nothing sticks to it. And now I transfer my dough to the form, I level it and put it in a preheated oven for about 45-50 minutes. When your cake is ready, take it out. Make sure that your cake is ready. Then leave it in your form for about 10 minutes to cool down a little bit. Then I used a little spatula, or you can use knife. Just go around your cake to make sure that nothing sticks. And I transferred my cake to a wire rack and let it cool. While it's cooling, we're gonna make the glaze. So simple and yet amazing. So you need powdered sugar or icing sugar, this little bit of orange juice that we set aside, and also orange zest that we also set aside. So start mixing, adding just little by little and mixing together, and you will see the consistency you want. So it doesn't need to be too thick or too liquidy. Also add your zest and continue mixing. Then take your cold cake and drizzle your glaze all over the cake. It's so aromatic, it's so delicious. And that's about it. And now you can decorate your cake with anything you like. I used my cranberry, you can use orange, I used some sprinkles, anything you like. It's delicious, it's soft, it's like you got this cake from some boutique bakery. And look how beautiful it looks inside. So guys, I hope you will make this recipe because, like I said, it's so simple and it smells, it's like holiday smell in your house. So I hope you like this and I hope you make it. Enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video.